Saving for a down payment takes real strategy and discipline. But don't worry, you can do it. Let's dive in. The magic starts with an organized budget. Don't just glance at your expenses, analyze them. Where is your money actually going each month? What areas can be trimmed and rebalanced? Let the numbers tell the story. And please, forget that tired advice about skipping your daily latte. If it sparks joy, keep it. You deserve small joys. But now, let's talk about the bigger money moves, the ones that can actually move the needle. Let's say you find a way to save just $27 a day. That's $10,000 in 1 year. Now, instead of letting it sit in a savings account, let's put it to work. At a 7% average market return, that $10,000 could grow to over $14,000 in 5 years. That's what I call letting your money hustle for you, even while you're sipping that latte. Let's talk about the big stuff like vacations. Vacations are soul food. You'll never hear me say to skip them, and I'll never skip mine. But maybe instead of the Italian Riviera this year, you explore Yosemite. Local beauty can be just as restorative and far more cost-effective. Every smart trade-off gets you one step closer to your goal. Now, let's talk about cars, because they quietly drain more savings than most people realize. That brand new ride might look tempting, but car loans are one of the biggest reasons young buyers delay homeownership. To be fair, your car might be my vacation, but think of it like this. Go for the Yosemite car. It's functional, pre-owned, reliable, and save the Riviera car for later. Student loans are the #1 reason young people delay saving for a down payment. If you already have them, explore ways to lighten the load, like refinancing or income-based repayment options. If you're considering taking on student loan debt, do your homework. They can open doors for you, and they can also anchor you. Your community may have free resources to help you make an informed choice. This one's huge and too often overlooked. There are incredible programs to help you with your down payment and closing costs. From local assistance programs to low down payment mortgage options, help is out there. Talk with your mortgage specialist to walk you through the options available in your area. Saving for a down payment in today's world requires a mix of old school discipline and new school strategy. Budget wisely, invest intentionally, and make choices that align with your bigger goals. Because every dollar saved is a brick closer to building your dream and owning your future.